Hi friends, I'm a part of this awesome group Open Assembly that hosts conversations between organizations and people wishing to adopt and thrive as digital tools like crowdsourcing, blockchain, and artificial intelligence change how we work. We get together a few times a month to talk about how we can help companies make sense of the new world of work. Open Assembly is hosting a virtual summit on October 13th and the 14th, not the whole day, just a few hours. And we have brought in experts from NASA, Deloitte, and Harvard Business School. So we're going to talk about and lead conversations with leaders who may need help in navigating the challenges and the opportunities in play. Sign up today, open-assembly.com, and find Open Assembly Global Summit. My calls with this group always leave me feeling inspired, so I'm pretty sure this summit being the same. I'm also happy to share my 20% discount code, so message me if that will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you there.